Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm so happy. We are on day 24. We're on day 24. Let me show you. You see this? You see this? We are on day 24. Insane. So now I have to I'm obviously gonna check those off as I do the things. But I'm so excited. It is June 11th, Wednesday, 8:16 a.m. You see that? You see that? That's my password. Hold on. No. And I'm breakfast, I already set it up. I just waiting for it to cook. But it is 8:16 in the morning, June 11th, Wednesday. Just so you know, I ain't lying to you. We have been here every day. 2025. This is amazing. And I'm just so excited. I see changes and I'm so happy I decided to document this because it is really helpful. And it gave me some ideas of where I want to go with my channel, which is really exciting. I am almost at day 30. I'm only a week away from day 30. So I just have to keep it up for 5 more days and I hit day 30. And then we only have 25 days to go. And we're already about to do 25. So we can do this. We got this. So I'm really excited. I'm just in shock. I'm really excited. I'm appreciative. I thank you for coming on this journey with me. If you've been watching, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe for more, And, ooh, excuse me. Drink your water, take your vitamins, eat, brush your teeth, floss. Flossing is important. Yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This is amazing. So I woke up at 6 this morning. Sorry, my arms are just I need to probably start doing some curls or something because my arms they're having a hard time holding this up. Anyway, I woke up at 6 something. I tried to go back to sleep, couldn't. So at 6:31, 6:41, something like that, I just got up, did my meditation, my prayer, affirmation type thing, brushed my teeth, got some water, all that stuff. So I'm coming to you after I done already started. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for holding me accountable. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Anyway, I'm just so in shock. This is crazy. I don't know if you saw day 1, but before day 1, I was already doing a fast, okay? And not only was I already doing a fast, that was already hard. So I was I think I was 2 or 3 weeks into the fast. So I probably lost a little bit of weight because at the time I was doing a soup fast, which is a trip. So, what was I saying? Fast, yes. So when you saw me, that was me already fasting. Now I've also been doing exercise and the changes are nice. They're lovely. So I'm gonna keep going. It's hard. And I'm gonna cry sometimes. And I'm gonna be mad sometimes. I was really mad yesterday because I really wanted some good food and the soup wasn't doing it for me. But I wasn't hungry. I just wasn't satisfied. I was I want something else, okay? My taste buds want something else. You know what I mean? So, with all that being said, I've come a long way. I've come a long way. So, I'm going to go get breakfast. We're going to eat breakfast. And I will see you in the next clip. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I feel good things are coming. Good vibes, good things. I feel good. Good things are coming. Good things are happening. And it'll be It'll be good. And I hope you stay around and stick around for where this channel is headed. Because, yeah, it'll be fun. Alright, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so this is breakfast today. It is 612 calories. I already put it in my, what do you call this? My little app. So 612 calories. I have strawberries and watermelon. 2 of the super veggie cakes, 1 of the tomato basil frittatas, 4 sausage links, and a potato bake. My thought process in thinking this morning is that yesterday it was too much fruit, so I'd rather just have a fruit for a snack after I get back and, like, you know, portion that out than overstuff myself. But I also feel like fruit helps me, like, really have energy for the day, so I prefer to start with the fruit too. So this is breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. I don't know what else I was gonna say, but that's it. Yeah, so let's get into it. Don't forget to eat your breakfast. Strawberry. Very good. Very good. I don't know why, but those definitely taste better now that I had them, and my expectation of, like, the sausage links I've had previously are gone. It's a movie. Very good. Definitely recommend if you into that or whatever. Alright. So I'm just gonna drink a little bit of my water and then we're gonna get started reading this book. I do be drinking my water, okay? I be drinking the water. I know I don't always show it, but I be drinking the water. So make sure you drink your gallon of water. It also helps because I think it's the only thing, like, keeping my body, like, able to keep pushing. But let's get into oopsies. Let's get. I don't even know if you can see that, but it is what it is. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. This is the book we're reading, as you know. I'm getting pretty far in it actually, and I'm learning a lot, so I'm definitely gonna be prepared. Okay, I'm gonna be prepared when I win this money, when I get more money, and I buy my farm. I'm gonna buy my farm. It is gonna be small. Probably won't have no cows or nothing. It's probably gonna be more like a big garden with some chickens and ducks. I kind of want goats. I ain't gonna hold you, but I don't know if I like eating goats. So yeah, but we're starting on 265. I mean, ooh, this ain't too. Ooh, we're starting on 255, and we're gonna be ending on 265. Well, technically 6, but you get it. You get it. You get me. You get me. All right, and yeah. Hold on. Give me 1 second because I feel like I might be tripping a little bit. I'm probably not, but I be feeling like I'm tripping. All right. So 10 pages. So, damn, I read 255. So it's going to be 256 to 266. That's so annoying. All right. Y'all ready to read all these words? It's not a whole lot of words. It's just quite a few words. It's 9:15 now. My goal is to try to finish this by 9:45 at the latest. So let's get into it. Alright, so we finished 260 and we're moving on. I only have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages left, but it is 9:41, so let's see if we make it. Alright, so I finished 266. We have done the reading for today, but it is 9:56, which puts me 10 minutes behind when I wanted to finish, which is fine. It's fine. But what was I gonna say? So I learned about different size animals and fencing. I'm learning so much. Like, I just found out and didn't realize, but dragonflies eat mosquitoes. So you want dragonflies. But there's like different flowers and things that attract them, and they also need a water source. So that is interesting information. Now I can check something else off my checklist today, and I just thought I'd share. I'm enjoying this read, even though it's kind of hard, but now I'm just learning as much as I really want to learn. But now that I'm looking at it, a good portion of the next couple pages are just going to be about different plants before whatever. So I probably just have to, like, when I get there, I'll probably be reading more that day, which is fine. Anyway, I'm going to take a couple minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, watch a YouTube video, and then we're gonna head out for our walk. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy the walks. I am still learning how to balance all of this, like what you see and all of that. So let me know what you want to see more of me doing, less of me doing, or any of that. Also, I think I'm going to start like changing how I do this, sort of, kind of, not really. Anyway, 75 hard it's a challenge. It is a challenge. I would recommend it though for people. Like, so far it has been, sometimes you gotta challenge yourself, you know, and it has been rough for me. I think specifically the diet I chose because I was already fasting. So I think if I was doing like a whole foods diet, I would be feeling better about that portion, because that's the portion that seems to upset me the most. As far as like the hardest part to do is to get outside and do the walks, even though they're easier to do than breaking up the workout and doing it as one big workout. But it's really hard for me because I am not a fan of being hot. I'm not a fan of being hot at all. So that is a big challenge for me. But what has been tripping me up the most is the water. The water has been tripping me up the most. But we're all good. So I think that's all for now. Let's get on and get ready for this walk. Put your shoes on, your socks, all that. And let's go. Alright, we are out here. It is, crap, I forgot the time. It's 10:47, so, and I have my timer already. I think about it, I hope you can hear me. Are those dragonflies? Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. I want to try to show them, but they're like really, like, they're small and they're high up, and I haven't figured out how to like zoom properly on here. You see the little babies? Baby geese, little goslings. They're just chilling. But I'm sitting here and I'm thinking a bit. I'm thinking, because this is day 24. We're on day 24, which is exciting. Did not know I could or would, would be doing this. And oh my god, I gotta figure out how to hold this, cause like I was on the wrong, see, this is what I mean. I have to figure out this, cause that bluebird was so freaking pretty. But anyway, I think I have the camera technically backwards, or upside down, I should say. I've been thinking, because I'm 24 days in, only 51 days more to go, and like, it feels like a lot, but in my head it's not so bad, because like, what do you call it, I'm already here and the days go by fast. Oh my god, this tree smells so fucking good. Like, and the flowers are so pretty. Like, shit. It smells really good. I definitely dropped like a bug or something on me, but it's cool. But it smells so good. Like, this one doesn't have a bunch of trees on it. Oh look, it's a stink bug. I don't know if you can see it. Where, how do I point to this? It's like right there on the camera. So, where am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. Wait, how do I? I'm tripping. This isn't the stink bug. It's up here. I'm tripping. Anyway, I'm just sitting here thinking about doing these next couple days. And it's kind of nice, like, accomplishing just this so far. And I figure, since I'm already here, and I'm already, what are these planes? I can't even see them, like, oh, it's just really fucking fast. Insane. Oh, scary. Look at it. I think he knows I'm looking at him. Look. Look at the little squirrel and his little tail. And you see them hops? Look at them hops. Wonderful. I'm sorry. Nature is low-key so exciting, I guess, because we don't typically, or I don't typically be out in it. So I find it really exciting. The squirrels just be hopping. I was wondering with those planes because they're really loud, but I'm like, it's a clear day and I cannot see them. I just spotted one. It's just really fast. I have no clue what kind of plane that is. Either way, oh my God, so many squirrels are out. I'm so surprised with how many like squirrels be out and about, as interesting as that sounds. But I get really distracted. Anyway, I was saying something. Fuck. Challenge. This challenge is challenging. It is really hard. Don't get me wrong. But that was a crow. Don't get me wrong. But excuse me. I would like to do more challenges, I believe. Like, to really just challenge myself and seeing that I can do something, it really helps the psyche. So, I'm already thinking of what challenge I'm gonna do next. And I have a really solid plan. I think I'm gonna just go with it. It might not happen for a little bit, but like, because I definitely need a break after this. So I'm going to what is it called? I'm going to obviously keep doing this. I'm gonna have a little break, and I'm just excited. Like, I'm so excited because I was like brainstorming last night and a lot of good creativity came from that. So I think it's good, and I believe you guys will really enjoy the type of content. But yeah, so we're on this walk now, and I'm just really excited. Like, I'm so curious because we're 24 days in, and I feel like I'm starting to see significant changes. So I feel like 51 more days from now, I'm gonna see obviously even more changes, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to keep going. I'm gonna document that. Oh, those little birds down there. I don't know if you can see them. Let's see. They're like on the ground there, foraging. I'm going to keep going. I'm also going to try to do better about how long our nature walks are. And yeah, that's just where my head is at currently. I don't know if you've ever like completed something and it makes you feel like you can do more. And though I haven't completed it yet, there's always poop all over on this part because the geese, and I'm not mad at it, I get it, but I have to like pay attention. Either way, I've tried to challenge, and even getting this far, I'm feeling like I can do it. So ain't nothing left to it but to do it. That's what they tell me. So I hope you enjoy our little nature walk, seeing our little goose friends. I guess they're not really friends since they do not stay near me. But look at all of them. It's nice. It's really nice. And I appreciate you being here with me and encouraging me on my challenges, and hopefully these get more entertaining as time goes on. But for now, we're going to continue with our typical me doing it at home and taking these walks. So sit back, relax, snack, or strap on your shoes and get some workout in, some sort of fitness, something. Trust me, because your feet hurting because you're using them after being inactive for a long time is not, it's not a pleasant feeling to go through. So with that being said, let's get into the real nature part of the video, where I'm not yapping and you get to relax and wind down from whatever video chaos I have put out there. Oh my God, I'm feeling silly. That's how happy I'm feeling right now. Not them fussing. It smells like a pool. All right, let's go. Well, we're already going, but you get it. You get it. You get it. You understand. My little yapping ass. Oh my God, 11 minutes. I don't know why, but it's smelling very chlorinated in the woods today. Like, the closer I get, I'm like, the more I'm in here, it smells chlorinated, which, different, very different. Yeah, so, oops, sorry. Gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Ooh, don't fall now. Damn. You can't see it. Look at these berries. Aren't they nice? Alright. It was like, I don't know if those were strawberries or raspberries or blackberries. I couldn't really tell. Yeah. Whew. I feel bad. That dog seemed very displeased with my presence. But no biggie. It's just doing its job. Or attempting to. Very small dog. Very cute though. Oh man. My favorite place I really wish there was a bench or a chair out there, but I don't know that I'd even walk to it. But the concept. The concept. Let me see, can I? There we go. Whew. I don't know if I showed you guys or if you were with me when this dog walked up to me. I guess she was looking for her owner. She was very cute and very, very calm. Like, it did make me understand, though. It made me understand why somebody might be scared of dogs, like, even though the dog isn't being aggressive, because she wasn't aggressive at all. But like, if I was afraid of dogs, I would have been like terrified just from her doing her little trot. But she seemed more nervous than anything, which was interesting. But yeah, I think she just was looking for her owner or help finding her owner. Very pretty, very well behaved, well trained dog. I don't know, that just reminded me, because even though that dog is barking, and it's a smaller, I don't know if it's a he, but it's a smaller dog. And even though he was barking at me, he wasn't leaving the yard at all. So I just realized I changed the camera, so you can't even see my face, but he wasn't even leaving the yard or anything, so I don't even think it was a threat. Purple flowers over there. Either way, I'm enjoying this walk, and I just found it a little funny. A little bird. See, they're eating those, and I really want to know what they are. Like, is it a berry? Is it just like a really tiny fruit? There's a spider web up there. And yeah. Just quiet over here. I don't know, I guess the wind or something cleaned up over here, because there's not nearly as many like sticks on the ground, almost as if somebody swept it. Maybe it was a strong wind, maybe a good Samaritan. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. Can y'all see? God damn it, the bugs. There's a cardinal up there, but I don't know if you can spot them. You see them? They're like really fast, but I changed the camera because, well, I am, oh my goodness, please stop, please stop. Walked into a spider web again. I swear it's unavoidable. Oh my god, it's a spider right here. Can you? He's like above. I don't know if he'll show up. He's like right there. I don't know if you can see, but like he's like in this area. Oh nope, he moved. Let me see if I can zoom in. Wrong area. Where did he go? Oh, he's on this stick now. Oh well. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep doing my walk. I think I just hit a mile. You know I try to do a mile. I try to do 3 miles on these walks. And what is it called? I have an hour and 11 minutes. It's 11:14. So I might be back in the house by noon. I've been walking an hour 45. I think that's a good amount of time. It guarantees my 3 miles. I was trying to do this challenge on my watch, but I don't want to overdo it doing too much. So this is where we are. This is where I send you in the house and I keep doing my walk unless I see something of interest or major interest. Let me know if you want the walks longer, shorter, or whatnot, because I know I talk during them sometimes, and that's just a spark of ideas. So you go in the house, I'm gonna drink some water, and I am going to catch you guys in the next clip, which is hopefully me back in the house or showing you something interesting. So thank you for being on this walk with me in this heat, but it's mild. It's very mild heat. Like, let me not exaggerate. It's like maybe 80, maybe. So I will see you in the next clip, and enjoy the scenery and stop and smell the trees every once in a while. Alright, so we're done. I drank most of my half gallon, but I still have like half of it left, which is fine because it's only 12:40. So I finished the walk. I need to take these off and shower. I'm gonna set myself up to see if I can get some creative writing done, and I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day, finishing my water, because that's pretty much what I have left to do. Yeah, so I guess this is goodbye for now until we meet again next time. Oh, that just reminded me of Out of the Box. I believe that's what it was called. And it's like, goodbye for now to you, my friend, until we meet again. I wish that show. Oh, I used to watch that show, Zumba Flu. Loved it. My little brother, he used to watch, was it Bear's Big Blue House or something like that? Man, Dragon Tales, author. Oh my God, Franklin. Hey, it's Franklin. Oh my God. Hey, it's Franklin. PBS Kids, tap it. Yeah, so since we're not doing anything else today, might as well end here. I'm thinking about the challenges that I want to attempt. I'm scared too, but I got this, right? Yeah, I got this. So, as I end my day, tell me what's on your agenda, what you got done today, what your plans are, maybe your fitness goals. And if you would be so kind as to comment Dragonfly and like this video and subscribe and maybe share it with a friend or two, I would greatly appreciate that. And until we meet again, I will see you. Bye.